Hey guys, this is 27th February, and what I have learned today is like very critical. It's like it's something that I was just like this was just something I was learning. It's just like like what happens that like let's say when you are like small or something, and you have any traumatical experience, and I just like say it again, but today that happened again. You know what happened? Like in my work, I just got like bad rating in my one of the tasks, and it was legit, but at that time I was not able to see. I was like, this is fucking stupid. Because he gave me like good rating in all the parameters because it was perfect. I just had a one mistake, and it was like a 3 out of 5, but it was, I thought it's 5 out of 5. And it's good to have rating, just like I was like, this is betrayal, this is like nothing. And I was just like in shock. And I was like at the time like, why am I not looking at feedback? And because I was I didn't want to become like a wrong at that time. I just wanted to be right at the time, I think. And that's why I was not able to like look at the reading that I had. And it was realistic. After a while, after that processing, I just thought about it. Then I realized, okay, I made a mistake, and the guy was also very good, cool about it. And he could have also punished me. Like he could like punish me means that he could have failed the task, but he didn't, and he corrected it, and it gave me like good rating. I would say 3 out of 5. It would be like 2 out of 5. It's like a shitty rating. And one thing that I just overlooked, and but at that time I was not able to do that. So it's just like a micro thing, and I was just like in shock. I was just like in like wow, this is like epic. And now I'm able to realize. So I was just like processing it. It's very hard, very taxing on my mind to process this thing. But after a while it just becomes like very good. Like I'm like now a little bit chill about it, not like perfect but chill about it. And this is the same thing in here, like in game while opening or anything. It just like you just have like this experience, and it just like comes up, and you just like react to it. Like for example, me not just going opening the set, just feel something, and I just like run away or something. Definitely I just run away because I'm not able to do it. And that's not one of the reason. It could be like one of the reason, but that's not the main reason. But like this kind of thing just happens, and it just feels like different. And what else? Yeah, and then I just like came out late, but like coming out, like it was like very hard for me to just go out late. I was like no one will be there. But it has become like very I just made like progress on it. And on this one also, I think like I'm just making progress every day, so it's going to get good in future. I think let's go there and then go on. Yeah, I have enough time now. So yeah, I think that's about it for today. I'm just going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. And this last part about just talking about like share, it's like there's something about shame. It's like coming up, but it's fine. Just let it give it some time, because I just feel like very different to speak in front of people about it. Like just like, share and subscribe, or just accept it. And it just feels like painful, and you just like whatever pain you're able to handle, it just comes up with that. But anyway, I'll just like talk about it tomorrow maybe or some other day. Have a nice day. Bye.